Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this ribbon wreath for Christmas. This one I already finished, and I'll show you how to make the bow. I'm going to make this one here candy cane stripes. I restarted part of it, and I cut these here for the bow, two 18-inch and one 12-inch. So I need 3 pieces. And this is one of the bows I made. And here's a part for the middle to wrap around the middle. Okay, let's get started. I take my ribbon, this is the wide ribbon I'm using. The other wreath I showed you was the shorter ribbon. And you can do these as long or short as you want. I did mine about 8 inches. I just took my ruler and measured it. And just grab the ribbon. I already put a tie in here. I just tied it so it would stay on the bar. I'm on the 3rd bar down. You can get these at Dollar Tree, these reforms. And you just take your ribbon, put it on the tie. If you can see this. And just tie it around and push the tie back into the back. And then just push it forward. And just keep going with the tie and the ribbon. Take a piece of this pipe cleaner and put it on here. Tie it around it. You can also use the cable ties. These here you can use also. I'm using the pipe cleaners today. Alright, I'm just going to eyeball it. And then just take your ribbon, put it on the tie, twist around a few times, and put it to the back. And there's your other one. I'm just going to keep going down with it. Another tie. Put it on the 3rd bar down. Just twist it. Take your ribbon. Connect it to the tie. Twist it a few times around the ribbon. So it'll be on there tight, but not too tight, so as long as you can push your ribbon forward. And I'm going to keep going around and I'll come back with that. But in the meantime, let me show you how to make your bow, get that started. We're going to take 2 pieces. We're going to put it together. And take some hot glue. We're going to put some hot glue right across here. Sorry, it's not hot enough yet. Okay, we're going to take the hot glue. We're going to put it along the bottom here, across the whole ribbon. And put this together. You gotta wait till that dries. And we got one more to do. Put it across the bottom here. Put that together. Okay, we did a long one and a short piece of ribbon. And I'll come back when that dries and show you how to put that together. And also I have the wreath I'll finish up and show you all that together. Okay, once your glue dries, take all three of these, put them right in the middle, pinch them together. Pinch them all together. Make sure they're even. And take your pipe cleaner, take it to the back and twist it. Pull these ones forward. And you can straighten out your bow. And you can make your tails, like duck tails. Just fold it in half. Cut up the side. There's one. Be careful not to do it the other way because it'll come out the wrong way. Just cut it on the corner. And there's two. And if you want, you can put a piece of ribbon right here. And then just take it to the back and tie that on there. Covers up any pipe cleaner or anything. It gives it makes it a little prettier. And there's the finished bow. And I'll show you the whole wreath with everything together. And here's the finished product. There's the bow. I just tied it to the back. And I put a little extra decoration on here. You can put anything you want on these. You can hot glue little Christmas bulbs and different things on here. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're new, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now.